They normally says abafane bazohera, but at this time uzoleka guys usevele waphula uhlathi inhliziyo wamala nje kanjalo and akabuyeli ke emuva. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 18th to the 22nd of August 2025 on Monday. Hlathi won't go down quietly. Sydney watches as Zoleka and Lazarus dance dangerous close to temptation. Linda and Lwandle plays with fire and it hitting up fast on Tuesday. Zoleka finally snap and Ntseki feels her wrath. Thandeka prods into Thumega's romantic drought. Linda's feeling for Lwandle can no longer be masked on Wednesday. Zoleka unleashes hell and the Mabandlas are booted out of the dead of the night. Hlathi is left begging. Lwandle and Linda dive into a dangerous waters on Thursday. Hlathi is drowning in rejection. Zoleka is not returning back. Thumega faces a new threat in her home while Lwandle goes looking for romance advice from the one person who may just mess him up even more, his father, on Friday. Zoleka kicks Hlathi to the streets. Lwandle and Linda are caught and it's messy. Echoes from Thumega's past comes knocking at her door and it doesn't come in peace. Awu nkosi yami uhlathi uyithole sesemnyango kaZoleka nkosi yami. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.